This came out of a kitchen faucet, 2 years old. Homeowner thought they had a leak. They had a dissolved cartridge. This is what a plastic valve seat looks like after 2 years of hot water, and this is what's inside most of what's on the shelf at your home improvement store. Ray has 31 years as a licensed plumbing inspector. When I asked him to build this list, his first response was, "I've got more than 7. We narrowed it to 7. The brands that produce the most callbacks, the most flood damage, the most "how did this pass inspection" moments in 3 decades on the job. I cross-referenced his list with 20 independent master plumbers across 8 states. Their answers converged. Here are the 7 brands master plumbers refuse to install, bad to catastrophic. Number 7, Glacier Bay Faucets. Glacier Bay is Home Depot's house brand, cheapest faucet on the floor, lifetime warranty, and the product Ray gets called to replace more than anything else. The problem, Glacier Bay isn't one manufacturer. It's a label sourced from multiple overseas factories, meaning the faucet you buy today may have different internals than the same model number bought 6 months later. What stays consistent is the failure: plastic cartridges and plastic valve seats where brass should be. Plastic deforms under heat cycling. Brass doesn't. After enough thermal cycles, the cartridge degrades, the drip starts, and the lifetime warranty means waiting on a replacement part that may not match what's in your wall. No supply house stocks Glacier Bay parts. When it fails, your plumber is doing a full faucet replacement, not a 30-minute fix. That lifetime warranty is a promise to mail you a part that probably won't match, from a faucet that's already damaged the cabinet underneath while you waited. Number 6, Mansfield Toilets. In the trade, Mansfield is called the Builder Special. It shows up in new construction because it hits a developer's price point and becomes the homeowner's problem the moment the warranty expires. 2 failure points. First, a proprietary tower-style flush valve, not interchangeable with any standard supply house part. When the seal fails, it's a special order, not a truck stock repair. Second, thin vitreous china with documented hairline fracture issues at the base. China doesn't warn you before it cracks. A Nashville homeowner discovered a 4-year-old Mansfield had cracked at the base. Found it when the bathroom floor started buckling. Builder warranty expired at year 1. Subfloor and floor replacement, $6,800. Number 5, Sharkbite Fittings. Sharkbite push-to-connect fittings are legitimate for temporary repairs in accessible locations. They are not acceptable as a permanent fitting inside a wall or under a floor. The mechanism is a stainless steel grab ring and an O-ring, rated for decades, in theory. In practice, it's a rubber seal in a pressurized system under continuous thermal cycling and vibration. It holds until it doesn't. When it fails inside a wall, you don't get a drip. You get a slow, undetected leak until drywall starts to soften. I use Sharkbite to stop water while I get the right fitting, never as a final connection inside a wall. If I find them on an inspection, that's the first thing in the report. A Seattle bathroom remodel with Sharkbite throughout the wall cavity. 1 fitting failed 3 years later. 2 floors of drywall, subfloor, insulation. Remediation, $22,000. Number 4, DropIn Bleach tank tablets. This one is going to surprise you. Sold at every grocery store. Marketed as home maintenance. Currently sitting in an estimated 40 million toilet tanks. They are dissolving your toilet from the inside. Products like 2,000 flushes and scrubbing bubbles sit in the tank and continuously dose the water with bleach far beyond normal water treatment levels. That bleach attacks every rubber component in the tank: flapper valve, fill valve seal, flush valve gasket. Rubber rated for years of normal use degrades in months under continuous bleach exposure. The flapper warps, the toilet runs, and the homeowner buys another tablet because they think it needs more cleaning. I walk into houses where the tank is bright blue, the flapper is completely dissolved, and the toilet has been running for 6 months. The homeowner had no idea. They thought the tablet was maintenance. The fix: a toilet brush, monthly. There is no shortcut that doesn't have a downstream cost. Number 3, InSinkErator Badger series. InSinkErator makes good disposals. The Evolution series. Ray installs it without hesitation. The Badger is a different product, and the $40 difference at the supply house is the most important $40 in this video. The Badger 1 and Badger 5 run underpowered motors with a single-stage grind plate and no sound insulation. They jam on fibrous vegetables, overheat, trip the reset, and eventually the reset fails to hold. The motor isn't serviceable. When it burns out, you replace the unit. That's not a flaw. That's the business model. The Evolution 200 is $40 more at the supply house. That's the floor I work from. I won't install a Badger. I'll be back in 2 years replacing it. That's not a repair call. That's a sales call the homeowner didn't know they were booking. Number 2, Pfister shower valves and faucets. Pfister had a legitimate 100-year reputation, durable cartridges, wide parts availability. In 2012, Spectrum Brands acquired the line. The name stayed, the specs changed. The Failure Master Plumbers site, post-acquisition shower valve cartridges. The cartridge controls temperature and flow. It is the core of the valve. Pfister's current design has documented seal failure in hard water conditions, and the cartridge geometry has shifted across generations, making replacement non-straightforward. A valve installed today may not accept the replacement cartridge available in 5 years. The logistical problem: Pfister sells through big box retail, not wholesale supply houses. When it fails, typically 4 to 7 years, it's a special order with no guaranteed fitment. I spec Moen or Delta on every shower valve. The Moen 1222 cartridge has been the same for 40 years. I can pull it from the supply house at 6 a.m. That's what repairability looks like. Number 1, off-brand Amazon tankless. Eccotemp, Fogatti, Camplux. Ray put this at number 1. Not the most common failure, the most dangerous. These are ghost brands. Eccotemp, Fogatti, Camplux, Marais. Labels on generic units from overseas factories, differentiated by packaging and Amazon listing optimization, not engineering. No North American service network. No licensed technicians trained on these units. Parts sourced through the same marketplace where you bought it. They're camping-grade technology marketed as whole home solutions. Heat exchangers fail under residential load in 2 to 4 years. Gas valves are unbranded, inconsistently QC'd. Multiple models have CPSC complaint filings for non-compliant venting and incomplete combustion risk. A homeowner shows me one of these. I won't turn the gas on. I can't service it, can't source parts for it, can't certify it's to code. That's not a preference. That's a liability. An Atlanta homeowner self-installed an Eccotemp in a vacation rental. 14 months later, heat exchanger failure, incomplete combustion, CO detector triggered. No injuries. Remediation, code retrofit, and Navian replacement, $6,400. The unit cost $219. Before you approve any install, ask these. 1. Can you get the replacement part at your supply house? A pause means no. No means walk away. 2. Is this the contractor grade version or the retail version? If they can't answer, they're installing whatever was on the truck. 3. Have you had callbacks on this brand? Honesty about callbacks is the mark of a plumber protecting you, not their margin. The rule: if your plumber won't install it, don't install it. A no from a pro is a green flag. Don't buy the box. Build the system. Subscribe.